Long ago, in a quiet town surrounded by hills, lived a young man named Arjun. Every morning he woke up with big dreams, but by afternoon those dreams faded. He would say, I'll start tomorrow. I'll try tomorrow. And tomorrow kept running away from him. Days passed, weeks passed, and Arjun felt his life slipping through his fingers. He wondered why nothing was changing, even though he dreamed so much. One night, after a long and tiring day, Arjun walked to the hilltop behind his house. The sky was dark, and the world felt heavy. He sat there thinking about his failures, the job he didn't apply for, the class he didn't join, the goals he never started. He felt lost. Just then, an old man who often walked in the area came and sat beside him. Seeing Arjun's sadness, he asked gently, "Why do you look defeated?" Arjun replied, "I wasted so many mornings, I don't know how to begin again." The old man smiled and said, "Listen, Arjun, the sun rises every morning not because you deserve it, but because you need another chance. Every morning is a fresh page. What you write on it decides your life. Yesterday's mistakes don't matter. What matters is what you choose to do when the next morning comes." These words touched Arjun deeply. For the first time, he felt the power of a simple truth: he could start again. The next morning, Arjun woke up early. The light felt different. The world felt new. He didn't wait for motivation or perfect conditions. He simply took one small step. He cleaned his room. He wrote down his goals. He applied for one job. He practiced one new skill. That morning became the first morning of his new life. Slowly, day by day, those small steps turned into strong habits. Weeks later, Arjun saw changes he never thought were possible. He became more confident, more focused, more alive. People who once doubted him now asked for his advice. What changed his life? Not luck, not talent, just one decision. He stopped wasting mornings and started using them. Years later, Arjun became a respected teacher in town. And whenever someone felt lost like he once did, he would say with a warm smile, "Don't worry, life always gives you another chance. It's called tomorrow morning. Don't waste it."